If you are checking out this electric makeup brush cleaner, I just got mine in the mail. The brand sent this to me to test out and try. It does come with its own charging cord, but it does not come with the plug-in to plug into the wall. It's extremely simple to use. You have a fan blade up here for the drying part of this, and then the other button controls the cleaning part of this. So all you're going to do is add water. There is a max line right there. And I just personally use like Dawn dish soap or even hand soap to wash my makeup brushes out. So you're just going to fill that up. And just so you can see, I definitely have makeup on my brushes. So this will fit larger brushes and smaller brushes. Make sure your brush heads are hitting this little plastic tray in here so that it can clean it. You can see it starts and stops a couple times, but my water's already getting dirty here. And then you will put them on this side, hang upside down, and there is a little fan inside that will dry your brushes. It does take a couple hours. There's a 2 and 5 hour timer for the fan here, but just a nice way to get your brushes clean. I do wish that they provided the plug-in to go into your wall. You do want to dry your brushes somewhat with a towel or paper towel. Don't just have them completely sopping wet. And just throw your brushes in. Just like that.